For a closer look at the rundown hour by hour of how the winds will play out, we bring back in Haley, who's standing by again in Manchester. Haley?
Hi, Mike. Yeah, we're live in Manchester again and watching the snow continuously coming down steady and light to moderate stuff. In terms of the wind, though, that's what we're hammering home here tonight because that's going to be the big deal by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Take a look at this hour by hour. This is a computer model that'll show you projected wind gusts as we go through time here. And notice how they really start to crank up during the overnight hours. Right now, no problems. In fact, the wind is calm, dead in Manchester, but it will start to pick up. And by early tomorrow morning, say around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, wind gusts at the coast and then as far inland as Manchester and down toward Nashua could have gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour, maybe even a few gusts up near 50 miles per hour. And that's what's sparking our concerns for the possibility of some scattered power outages. And the winds continue to be strong nearly all day long tomorrow. So even once the snow stops, you may not know it has stopped because it's going to be lofted into the air. It's very light, fluffy snow because it's so cold. So it'll be blowing around and causing areas on the roads to become slick again. You know, as soon as a plow goes by, you sometimes get the snow blowing back over and making things slick. So we, of course, will be on this all night long and all tomorrow, too. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe, live in Manchester, WMUR News 9.